St. Louis. Greetings from Fairfield. I'm looking for 1900s bathroom tile, 3-inch octagons, 3/8 inch thick. Yes, I'm serious. You do? You have? We got one!
Hey, hello everybody. Whew, what a day. You know, St. Louis, that's about a 4-hour drive, just in each direction. So, but we got our floor tile. I was just about to give up on searching for original floor tile when I remembered, after watching an old YouTube video of an old friend, that there was one place I hadn't tried yet. And so I sent him off a picture, and well, within the hour, I got a response. Oh yeah, we have some of those. And so, we jumped in the car and we headed down to pick these guys up. And so, well, when we get there and we're looking around, and we didn't really film a whole lot because there was a lot of people, walking around, and we had no idea where anything was. And we ended up upstairs, and at the top of the stairs, there was a couple of boxes with, strangely enough, a bucket of the exact same blue tile that we also had up on the, in that main bathroom. And so, if that wasn't a sign, I don't know what is. Not only that, they're the exact same manufacturer as what we had upstairs, the US Works Encaustic Tile Company in Indianapolis. So we even got the exact same manufacturer. And so the color is a really close match. I brought an original. I don't know what I did with it, but it's really close. The fact that they're going under the tub is, exactly what we need. And we got enough of these to finish our bathroom. And so shout out to the guys over there at REFAB down in St. Louis, because great customer service, and they had exactly what I needed, and couldn't be happier. And if that name sounds familiar, it's because, well, that was Mr. Caleb's go-to for his architectural salvage when he was working on the Second Empire Strikes Back house for his channel. We did reach out to Caleb prior to heading down there, and unfortunately we didn't hear anything back. And so I was hoping that we could maybe bring you folks some news and give you a quick little update on how things were going down there at the Brown House. But REFAB is literally, I think, 2 or 3 blocks from where he lives. So, when in Rome. But, we didn't hear back from him. And, with respect to that, we didn't go up and knock on his door. We just went about our merry way and drove on. But it was nice to see the old girl still there. Some of the work that he had done Still looked like it was in great shape, though there are other parts where, you know, pretty much where he left off. Last we saw, that's pretty much where it stands. And though we had been to the Charles S. Brown house before, we thought it'd just be nice just to be able to catch up with Caleb and see how things were coming along and, you know, how things were going. You know, he had even been here to the house here before when he came up to get parts for the house for the Lustron up here in Iowa. But, well, the Lustron, which we were also very curious about, not too far from there, about another 10, 15 minutes from where we were. So we thought we'd take a trip and go across town and take a look at that Lustron. And boom, there it is, the Lustron, with a big old pink hippo out front there. What a cool project. And the fact that they did this in just like a year, or maybe it was 2, just amazing work. So congratulations to Caleb and his dad on an excellent restoration of this Lustron house, which is also an Airbnb. And oh boy, I can't wait to book me a room here and stay and get back to living in good old 1955. And then from there, we feel a little nostalgic. We were reminded of a museum down in St. Charles, Missouri, down in the historic district downtown, the Soda Pop Museum.
S-U-N-G-A-Y. someday, that one day when I'm with you. It seems that I cry all day Tuesday, I cry all day Wednesday, oh my, how I long for you. And then comes Thursday, gee, it's long, that never goes by. And Friday makes me feel like I'm gonna die. But after payday is my fun day, I shine all day Sunday, that one day when I'm with you.
Ta-da! We have enough octagon floor tile. Yeah, thanks to REFAB down there in St. Louis. So we need to, we're actually almost enough. We still need 3 more of those border squares in the back. So we're still short 3 there. And, you know, and we got to level out this concrete before we can go pressing these down. Not to mention, get these cleaned up and get some spacers to be able to lay them all out together. But you know, get some of this grout cleaned off. And I mean, they've been out in the carriage house for the last 60 years, so you can't even tell which ones were the new ones versus which ones were the old ones, other than all the dirt. And so we're just gonna looks like we have a new project.